Real quick tip. This is an 06 Envoy XL SLT. Removing these bulbs to put in LEDs. I actually going with amber color. And this is like, I can't get my fingers in here. I'm not sticking nothing metal in there, because I'm not unplugging my car battery just to change the damn bulb. So, thought about it. Went in the house, grabbed some tape, black duct tape. Just put it on there, get a little grip, make a little contact, and pull the tape. I seen somebody stick a little screwdriver in there and this, that, and the other. Nah. So I don't mess with, I don't play electricity like that. But there it is. It's a little tape. I can change the bulb. Real quick tip. Peace. Thought I might as well add the LEDs I'm replacing the stock bulbs with. Here they are. I see the number. I move amber. So there it is, installed on the right. Still gotta do the stock one here. About the same brightness. Okay. And I did the rest of the vehicle. Turn it around. Did the rears yesterday. All amber. May look better at nighttime. The sun is starting to come up now. Same company, same place. Also did my license plate. I kept on white, the real soft white. I think it was 3000K is the model number for the brightness for the plates. All right, peace.